Residents of the metropolitan Washington area spend more for housing and furniture than any other place in the country. It's according to a recent government study. So it's not unusual to find people in this area who have a roof over their head but can't afford furniture. Gordon Peterson joins us now with how one man is trying to change that. Gordon?
Scott, can't afford furniture, can't even afford beds for the kids to sleep on. This week we talked to a man at Silver Spring who decided to do something about that. Mark Burgle, PhD, the founder of A Wider Circle. Bed day at A Wider Circle. A good day for Renee Kavanaugh and her 7 children.
For the most part, we've all been laying with the blankets and the pillows on the floor.
By far, beds are the marker almost for poverty in this region.
While delivering food to needy families 13 years ago, Wider Circle founder Mark Burgle was stunned to learn that it was harder for struggling families to get beds than food or clothing.
I talk to people every day, multiple people, too many people, who tell me, well, I've been sleeping on the floor for years. My kids sleep on a blanket in the corner.
Thank you for calling A Wider Circle. This is Kim. How can I help you?
Thus was born A Wider Circle, providing beds and basic furniture to thousands of needy people in this area, free of charge. Thanks to Washington philanthropists Don and Ann Brown, who donated $100,000 for new beds, Renee Kavanaugh and her children tonight do not have to sleep on the floor.
I just thank God that it's a type of program out here that is able to help me and my children and not charge me.
If you're looking for a place to donate good used furniture, A Wider Circle is the place. But there's more.
If you're an adult, you're not getting out of poverty without a job. So our second largest program is our job preparedness program. In addition to helping people write resumes and identify career paths, we clothe them.
Yes, you're looking for an appointment for professional clothing?
We want people to come in and get those clothes and realize that they can take as many as they want, and that not only that, but we have personal shoppers for them. So it's a really beautiful experience.
We can schedule you an appointment for next week.
I believe that there are enough people in this country, certainly in this region, who believe that it's unacceptable that people live in the conditions in which they live. And so I always ask the question, what does it mean to say something's unacceptable? If it's unacceptable, then we got to change it.
Wider Circle founder Mark Burgle, they will not let you out of the Wider Circle professional store with fewer than 5 outfits, so you look your very best when you go in for a job interview. They tell me sometimes their clients are hired on the basis of appearance alone. If you'd like to learn more about A Wider Circle and how to get beds to families who need them, go to our website at WJLA.com. Scott, Allison.
All right, Gordon, what a fantastic story.